Have you ever heard of the Antikythera Mechanism?
All hands, hoist the colors high.
Can you believe it if I say it was the first analog computer? Yes, it is. It's one of the most extraordinary artifacts ever discovered, a mysterious, gear-driven device pulled from the depths of the sea. Found over a century ago in the wreckage of an ancient Roman shipwreck, just off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera. This machine dates back to around 100 BCE. At first glance, it looked like nothing more than a corroded lump of bronze and wood. But when scientists peered inside using X-ray imaging, they uncovered something incredible, a complex system of gears and dials. Yes, this was no ordinary relic. It was a sophisticated analog computer capable of predicting eclipses, tracking the movements of the sun, moon, and planets, and even calculating ancient Olympiads. Centuries ahead of its time, the Antikythera Mechanism shattered the long-held belief that ancient civilizations lacked advanced scientific knowledge. It proves that the roots of computation go far deeper than code or silicon. They lie in bronze, gears, and brilliance. From the depths of the sea rose a machine that didn't just predict the sky, it rewrote history. And even today, scientists are still unlocking its secrets. So what other lost inventions might be waiting, hidden beneath the sands of time? Which extraordinary genius was behind this incredible invention? Modern-day scientists have concluded that it might have been the legendary Archimedes himself. Until next time, stay curious. And if you enjoyed this journey into ancient genius, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.